amigos. So today I am going to tell you about few rules. So we need to follow this. So whenever we have any word which starts with the letter C followed by A, O or U, in that condition we will pronounce it as K. Like CASA is Ka, Sa. As you know, A pronounced as A. So C and A means K, but as it is A, so Ka, Ka, Sa. CU is, again we pronounce it as K, but we followed with A, so Quattro. It is Quattro. Same goes with O, Co. Basically K or O, Ko. It is Cosa. So Casa, Quattro, Cosa. So whenever we have Se plus A or E, we will pronounce it as S. So that will be Se, Riya, Se, Riya, Se, Riya. Same goes with this. Cigarillo, Cigarillo means cigar. So next is double L, which is pronounce it as yo, as I mentioned it yesterday or maybe in prior session. So it will be yo. So it will pronounce it uvia, uvia. That is rain, uvia. Next is G, which is known as khota. So we will pronounce it as a word. We will pronounce it as ga or ja. Mostly ga. That is gato, gato. I will jump here first. So next is K. So whenever we have G plus I plus E, that is called as a K. So here we call it Khente, Khente. When it goes to here, that is Khigante. As you know, G and A is G. So Khigante, Khigante. So next is whenever we have any word which starts with G and next the letter is U, then here the U letter will be in silent. We will not pronounce it. So it will be like this. So G U I. It will be Gi. No, U will be silent. We will not follow this letter. So it will be Gitara, which is guitar. So it is Gitara, or over here it is Guerra. We will not call it as Guerra. It is Guerra. So the next is Ku plus U with E and I. In this condition again U is silent. You will say it as K. K. U is silent. E is like A, so K. Over here it is I, so I is pronounced as E, so Kien. Kien. U is silent again. Kien. Next is Y. So that is Iguiega. So whenever we have any word which ends with the letter Y, we will pronounce that letter as E. That is example as Re-E, Rei. Okay, and few letters. So whenever we have this sign over any letter, that is tilde. This is also tilde. Though at some places you will find this as N. However, we pronounce it as tilde only, and we put some extra pressure on. So whenever we are reading any word and which includes this type of sign above any letter, then we will put extra pressure on that word. So for example, we have N-I-N-O, that is Nino. So we will put extra pressure, Nino. It's just to understand, but it will normally call as Nino. That is at the rate which we call or at, that is Aripa. And dot, full stop, which is known as punto. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.